Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here again with Barry. He's gonna help me out today. I've been seeing all of I tried a tutorial from fill in the blank going around, and I've also seen the whole boyfriend slash husband does my makeup, and I thought, why not mash the two of them together and recruit Barry and make him do my makeup. So we are going to follow a tutorial from Samantha. I absolutely love her and adore her and want to be her friend. And so we're going to follow one of her tutorials. I am going to try so very hard to insert clips of her video in this video, but I have very bad editing skills and even worse computer in general skills, so I'm not entirely sure I can figure out how to do that. In any event, I'm going to link her video down below. Without further ado, are you ready?
I'm ready as I'm going to be.
He's ready as he's going to be. Never done makeup before. Very reluctant, as you can tell, to even be on camera. I kind of ambushed him with this tonight and was like, hey, guess what you're doing? And he's like playing video games. I'm like, try again. But you're a good sport, so here we go.
Okay.
So I am going to help him through it a little bit because he's a complete makeup newbie. And you're out of your element, are you?
Oh, I am way out of my element. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to start. I am not in my element at all.
Nobody's going to judge you. And I will still love you for even trying.
Why, thank you. What's next, Samantha?
As well, and I'm just leaving a gap in the center there because I'm going to do just a kind of light halo eye. So when you're applying...
Okay, so a little bit more. I'm trying so hard not to hurt your eye.
You're not hurting me. It's
I
okay.
know.
You're very gentle and thoughtful.
Now, all y'all at home know how much pressure to put on, how much product to put on. I am flying completely blind so far.
No, you have a nice light hand.
Okay.
It's good. It's better to go in with a light hand than heavy-handed because then you have nowhere to go.
For sure. All right, let's skip to step 2.
Secondary brush. Next, I'm going to dip back and forth between sienna and cypress umber. And again, starting on that outer corner where we want the heaviest deposit of color. And then I'm just kind of tapping it back and forth.
The sienna and the cypress umber.
The cypress umber. I'm also like really self-conscious sitting sideways because I do not have a good profile.
Yeah.
I'm like, I should be wearing a turtleneck.
Not connecting it all the way over. And then taking what's left on my brush and going into that inner corner. And then I'm just going to switch back to my bigger brush to really diffuse this color.
Sure.
It's good enough for Sam. It's good enough for us.
I'll just diffuse these colors.
I'm just going to grab an eyeliner pencil. This is Urban Decay 24/7 liner in Roach. I like this color because it's a little bit lighter and warmer.
Okay.
And
Do you have an eyeliner pencil out here? Is that Roach?
No, I don't have Roach.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, so this is the scary part.
For both of us.
That's okay. Take it slow. I will keep my eye open. I will trust you.
I'm going to be just like Sam says, and I'm not going to go into the actual water line.
Yep, good. And I'm the one who's doing the drinking, so...
Have a drink right now. Calm your nerves. I'll have it when we're done.
Vegan mudslides. That's good.
Pretty much.
And I'm really pulling it down underneath my lash line because I
Okay,
want that
supposed to-
eyeliner to act as a base for other
Okay.
shadows.
I did good
just
then.
want to bring it right onto my lash line because sometimes I feel like it can look a little bit too
I'm actually going to add a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
again, I'm just kind of dotting blotting it on. And then once I have less product on my brush, I am moving the brush up higher.
Okay. Interesting.
They're not the same. See how I only have one line on that one?
Mm-hmm.
And I've got two creases over here?
Mm-hmm.
This is the little punk eye. This is the one that behaves itself.
Punk ass bitch.
And applying a little bit less pressure so I can kind of start to blend that out. And just with a super light pressure, going and blending that out. I'm taking a little bit of Tarte's Shape Tape in the lightest color I could find, and I am just...
Okay.
Concealer. I like to use that same brush because it has that tackiness still from when you were using that concealer. And I'm going to dip into Rose Pink.
It's very pretty.
Is that?
Yes. Okay.
You can use that one for the inner corner.
Is this going to be too sharp or?
Well, it's not sharp, but a little dirty.
That's what she said. Okay. I just won't pull. And she's going on the tempera.
Right on my inner corner. This guy's super pigmented and quite white based, so I definitely would say to go in with that one with a light hand. So now I'm gonna...
Can you lick your butt somewhere else, please? Like, no, I want to do it right here with my people.
Oh my god.
Noir and Cypress Umber, and I'm just dotting back and forth. And I'm just going to kind of stamp that on the outer corner, almost in place of a winged eyeliner. And I'm going to go in with a half lash.
God, you're flying through this crap, Sam. Oh, good job.
I'm just helping him with the brush choices, or else we'd be here all night.
Center. I just like to look down into my mirror, and then I go in with a liquid liner pen, and I just kind of paint
It won't go on the bottom.
the base of my lashes.
Let's do this. This is the sharpest one ever.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Only jagged in like 3 spots.
Oh, there you go. You're doing better than me. Oh, I can hear the cat licking himself.
Licking or digging or gargling.
Could you please? No, don't bite me. Thank you.
Put on mascara as well, because I don't feel like I have the physical strength to curl my lashes.
Knowing is half the
I'm
battle.
not a big lash curler in the first place, you guys know that. And then I'm going in with Tarte's Light Camera Lashes because I can't force myself to use any other mascara.
Okay then.
We're going to use Maybelline Total Temptation.
I watch your videos.
Don't stab me.
Oh god, I'm so scared.
You're scared.
I am so scared.
I like
don't
the
know.
power of sight.
I don't know if I have to go down from the top, up from the
From
bottom.
the bottom up. So in and sort of wiggle it up. I'll look up, that makes it easier. No, I'll look down. It makes it easier.
You should do it mid-application. That's the best time ever to do it.
I will look down.
I don't have to. It's already on. You just did it for me. I just had to stand
I will
still.
just blink randomly and scare the shit out of you.
Oh, I'm gonna have a coughing fit here.
When asthmatics laugh.
It's really like clumpy.
Yeah,
That's my fault.
That's entirely your fault.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.
Eyes up, you can.
I have to.
There you go.
Et voila.
Et voila. Then what did she do?
I have no idea. Then she goes on and talks about something.
And then I'm just kind of squishing my lashes.
So she's squishing them.
You don't need to squish my lashes.
There, and I'm just gonna... So this is the final look.
Well, okay, but I need to see the final look too. Here, give me the mirror and the palette.
Okay.
You know what? You did a good job, hun.
And that's after only 3 shots of tequila.
No, you did a good job.
Good.
You've never I don't know how I got makeup down here on my face, but you've never touched a brush before.
No.
did. Here's the final look.
I'm so proud of myself.
And with 0 fatalities. Like, you did a good... Hi, Patches. You did a good job.
Awesome. I'm glad to
You
hear
did.
that. I was totally scared.
Sam, you're an excellent teacher. You taught his ass, and he's never touched a makeup brush, so... You did good.
Good.
He did good.
Next week on Kara C, I'll be teaching Kara how to play Call of Duty. That's going to be super fun. Flamingo down!
Come here. You just want to be in the video, don't you? Come here.
Patchy Patch.
So this is the one that you can hear in most videos. This is Patches. He looks sweet. He's got a mean streak, but he's really good with the kids, so we forgive him. Yeah, you sweet boy. Well, thank you, Barry.
You're welcome. I'm happy to be in your videos anytime you want to get me drunk first.
Alright. That's going to wrap this portion of the video up. So, thank you again.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching. Say bye-bye, Patches.
Bye, everybody.
I'll
Thanks so much
see
for
you.
having me.
There you go. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, just be a decent human being. Bye. I love you.
I love you too, honey.